whiskey. Koceja. Alright, what's up guys? YouTube. Just a real quick update. It's gonna be a super short video, just an update on the garage. Last time I was just cleaning it up and stuff, getting ready to put the electrical in. As you can see, I've got the electrical done. Plenty of outlets. I went from having 1 to, if you count that one, 11. 10 on the walls plus that one. Installation's in. I had to wait a week. They had to order it because my studs are 24 on center, not 16 on center like normal. So I had to order some insulation to fit that. Normally have it in stock, but they didn't, so I had to wait. But yeah, insulation's in. Doesn't stay any warmer in here. It's like negative outside right now. It's cold. That's why I'm gonna keep this short. But yeah, I can't do anything else. I gotta still rocking one light because I don't know if you can see this with the light there, but the trusses, whatever they're called up here, I only have 3 of them, so I can't put a ceiling in. I gotta order some 2x6s next week, and I'll put those in next weekend, so they're gonna be, you know, every 24 inches going all the way across. Then I can get some plywood up there instead of this, all these random boards just hanging out up there holding my stuff, extra car parts and stuff. And then I can put some insulation up there, and then it'll actually stay warm in here, because just having insulation on the walls of course doesn't do anything. Insulation up top is what really matters. So once I get the 2x6s in, I can run outlets across the ceiling that I can get insulation in and put lights in. Then the garage is good to go. I just need drywall on everything, but I'm not worried about that for now, as long as I can get it warm in here and lit. So summertime I'll do some insulation, all that. I cleaned the garage in the last video, and then the next day I ripped it all apart. Everything on the walls was in the center to put the outlets in, but now that I'm done with that, I just lifted the Ranger up, took the tire off, just looking at stuff, doing a little bit of measuring for the axle and what leafs I need, length and stuff. Start figuring that out. I didn't get a good video of the axle last time. It's a Dana 30 out of a Wrangler. It's all set up here to go right in with the solid axle. I literally have to do nothing to that axle except put the 410s back in it. He put 388 gears in it, and my Ranger that makes barely 100 horsepower, I'm gonna need the 410s. So yeah, 410s gotta go in there. And then I don't think I'm gonna do too much to the Ranger right now until I know I got everything squared away with the ceiling. Then I'll start tearing the Ranger apart. Definitely making vlogs about that. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, it is cold. Whiskey! I don't know where Whiskey is. Oh, there she is. Come on. Inside. Hello.
Hey.
Brittany's parents are coming over for dinner, so she's cooking up dinner. What are you making?
Nothing.
What are you making?
Gonna be testing noodles.
What are you making, Brittany?
Chicken.
Chicken what?
Parmesan.
How do you say it?
Parm.
No, how do you say it?
Chicken parmesan.
No, what do you say?
I don't know.
She says chicken parmesan. What is the right way to say parmesan? Is it parmesan or parmesan? She says chicken parmesan.
Are you done?
Yeah. Cabinets. Let me know if you guys want to see some house stuff, because we got plenty of stuff to do in the house. We're painting the cabinets white. I took all the handles off today, and I've got those in the basement. We're gonna go with like an antique rustic type white. I'll show you guys if I make a video on that, how I'm doing that. But we're going with black hardware and white cabinets. We are gonna buy good hardware, different hardware than the ugly stuff that's already on there, but for now, until we get them painted, I'm just cleaning those up, painting them black for now. But yeah, I guess that'll be it for this video. Like I said, I'm keeping it real short and simple. Just little updates on stuff. Waiting on, like I said, I gotta get some 2x6s to go any further with that. I'll try and film when I do that. I didn't film everything else because I had some friends come over and help me, and then, I don't know, you get started on something, it's kind of hard, like, oh, I gotta grab the GoPro, you know? So, we just knocked it out, got it done. It's not very interesting to film anyways, so, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.